In the AI world today, you can make any video that you want. All we need to do is first visualize the scenes, what the model is wearing, and how would you like the video to be, or what story you want your video to tell. This is great for any content creators, any small business, anyone who wants to explore the new video generations tools. Me personally, I love using these video generations tools a lot because I get to visualize different designs on different models. For example, if you're an e-commerce owner, you have a lot of products and you want to showcase these products on real models. You don't want to set up photo shoots all the time because photo shoots takes a lot of time. I sell custom competition bikinis. I have over 800 different designs. I want to see them on different models. I want to visualize the color of the hair, the fit, the color of the suit, all the rhinestone details. So I start making videos with Google Flow. And this works amazing. I made videos how to wash your suit. I made different videos of different designs, as you can see. And then I can visualize the design. If the design is red, we can visualize it in a blue color. So this is very helpful. It gets my imagination going to create new designs. This is great for any designer. Also, it's great for any content creator because you can write down your ideas. And now with the new videos, like Google Flow has the start and the end frame. So you can be really showing the start frame and the end frame. So you can control what your video is about. And this is amazing. For example, this blonde model is wearing this beautiful design. I wanted to see her wearing the design on stage and then winning and doing an image like this, like winning and being happy on stage and expressing like this. I want to showcase this beautiful model with this design, walking on stage, and then that's my starting frame. And the end frame, she's winning and she's happy, and that's her expression. Now, I don't have the picture of her winning and doing this on stage. First step is go to Nano Banana, go to Gemini, create a new image. I want you to use the exact same fitness model from the image number 1, but change the position of the model and expression like image number 2. She's happy, she's on stage, she won. Make sure she's wearing the same outfit. Let's see what Gemini will come up with. We want the first, right? The start and the end image. Then in Google Flow, you're gonna attach your first and then the end image, end frame. We use the exact same prompt I gave it last time. It's just really simple prompt. Whatever you want to say, but just in simple words. I found out sometimes simple words work better than complicated prompts. This is only for video generation. Of course, if the video is easy, like this one. Here you have the option to choose your format, right? Frames, ingredients. So we use frames, right? The start and the end, and then 9 by 16. That's good. And let's create the video. The way how I proceed with my video creation is first I create the topics that I want to talk about, and this is basically for all the videos are shared on social media, but there's such details, FAQs the clients are asking. I create the topics, then I generate the assets or use my own images if I have them, and then I start creating with the video generator. So far, I love the Google Flow. The video generator models are getting better and better every day. This is amazing. You can create anything nowadays. So let's check and see. Wow.
And your new
This is
overall
amazing.
champion is right here.
No way. So you can create any videos with your own photos, start and end frames. That's amazing. Okay, that's it. I hope this video was helpful and you try and start generating videos to help you with your content and to help you with your small business or just to have fun with it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.